Hello guys, today's vlog is about a mosquito catcher machine which I bought it last week from Amazon. As per seller, it says that the product is very efficient in catching all types of mosquitoes without any use of harmful chemicals. That means we don't have to inhale any harmful chemicals which are used in other mosquito repellent products. Now let's check the reality of this claim. Before moving ahead, if you haven't already, then please consider subscribing to my channel for all upcoming videos. After a lot of research, I found this product and I was very happy with the product because I always wanted some mosquito repellent product which doesn't use chemicals to either kill the mosquitoes or make their senses weak. Now let's start the video. This is a mosquito killer lamp machine which comes in the price of $5.90 at Amazon and its rating is 4 out of 5, which is awesome. This comes in all different shapes and color. I bought it this black color which was the best as per me out of all the available options. So now let's see the parts. It has mosquito grid at the top and a fan in the middle. Here is the fan, and this is a storage space for the dead mosquitoes. As per the seller, this product kills mosquito with the help of 365 nm bionic violet wave mosquito trap producing UV light in the grid. As mentioned in the product description, the target species of this product is rat, mosquito and lizard. I am going to check only for mosquito. It runs with the help of the electricity using this USB plug which comes attached with the product. Now let's start the demo. So I'll connect this USB wire with the power bank. You can use it with your phone charger, laptop, anything. And now I'll switch on. So you can see fan has started and the lightings all over the grid. Probably you can't see the fan, but then you can see the lightings, and the fan in between started running, if you can hear the voice. And this you need to keep it whole night wherever you feel the mosquito. So this is the next morning. Yesterday night I kept this machine on, and now we'll check if any mosquitoes has been collected in the storage space. So before that I need to disconnect the machine from this power bank. So the machine has stopped, and now let's see the storage box. So there is not even one single mosquito collected in this storage box. That means this machine doesn't work. At least it didn't work in my house. So you can see this product didn't work for me. It couldn't even catch one single mosquito after keeping it on for one complete night. Maybe because here in my house mosquitoes are much more smarter than this machine. But if you think mosquitoes in your house is not that smarter, then you can consider buying this product. But do check the returnable policy if it didn't work for your house as well. You might think to return this product. It didn't work for my house. So finally I'm going to return this product. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Such a Stream.